Yes, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about Masked Singer USA and a spooky wookie night. We have the Halloween theme. So we have three performances, then we have a battle royale, and then of course we have the reveals. And according to the teaser, this is apparently big reveal. So I was like, okay. So let's watch the Snowstorm sing Sweet But Psycho by Eva Max.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, a little bit right though. At night she's screaming. She'll make you
And also this channel is MJ's Big Blog, so subscribe to that channel.
curse, but she's a blessing. She'll rip your shirt within a second. You'll be coming back for seconds.
I love the
Waste your
costume.
play. You're just
I love the
playing
wing.
alone.
I love the snowflake.
You'll play along, let her lead you on. You'll be singing no, then saying yes, cause she's messing with your head. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. Got the pop gun kinda crazy. She's poison but tasty. The people say run, don't walk away. She's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind. You're just like me, you're out your mind.
I don't
It's
know.
strange, we're both the crazy kind. You're telling me
I have to say, I don't know how to feel about this performance.
don't pretend that you don't love the pain. Little bit psycho, at night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. Got the cop gone kinda crazy. She's poison but tasty. Now people say run, don't walk away. She's hot but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind.
It's a lot of fire. She was good. She was good. Wow.
I mean, the thing is that, no shade to whoever's underneath the mask, but this is the first character in the US version of the Masked Singer. I had one in the French version. I was like, no. I mean, to me, for some reason, this is my second performance. I have not seen this before today. I saw one with the snowflake before, and then this. I'm bored. I don't understand why. I don't understand. To me, this is a character who could have been revealed last time. I don't know why I'm feeling bored when I see the snowflake. Whoever's underneath the mask. For me, this is a voice. There's nothing there. I mean, yes, you're going to call me mean and all that. Maybe this is a singer who disguised her voice so heavily, so this maybe is the big star. I don't know, but for some reason I was like, this is my second time performance of the snowflake, and I'm still bored. I'm still bored. I mean, I love the costume. The costume is amazing. I love the snowflake. Very Victoria's Secret Angel, Heidi Klum pull out the snowflake thing. It's amazing. The costume is one of the best this season, but the voice is so boring. In a season with big round ladies, we had Gloria Gaynor and the cat who was a robot girl, and we had the harp. The snowflake has nothing. She is meh in comparison to the other ladies. This is a season of big grand vocals ladies, and the snowflake to me is like meh. I don't know. No, I don't get it. I don't get it. No, I'm sorry, but to me, I'm kind of bored by the snowflake. No shade, but that's how I feel.